Hey, this is Jesse Bourne bringing you another sea chest vlog. So today Josh and I are working on sea chests and we have this one all assembled right now. The only thing it's missing is the pistons on the front, which are the little square piston rods and levers right here. So these two have it. We got them in a box right here. All we need to do is take them and put them on the front here, and then this one's ready to be finished, and then it will look just like these guys right here. Super, super cool. We would have gotten more done today, but the router bits that I was waiting for didn't show up yesterday like they had said they were going to, and so we finally got those in today. So now I'm just gonna put a couple pallets, and tomorrow I have a friend come in who's gonna help me assemble some more tomorrow as I work on the puzzle chests. I'm getting the last of those shipped out the door because there's only 8 left here. So good progress all around. Today's been kind of a struggle though, just because, you know, when you're building a production and we're starting to do production methods, things just don't exactly work like you want it to. We just got to figure all that stuff out, but the more we do it, the faster we'll be at it, the better we'll be at it. This is a whole jig for making these little bevels in the pieces. Well, not bevels, little grooves, kind of decoration, make the box to look really ornate, really hand carved. It's really cool, but it's also a pain to set up and to get just right. So that needs a little bit of work. What else? The staining, oh dear. The staining is just a terrible mess right now. That all needs to be reworked. But yeah, some things are a little lacking right now. But the good news is we're getting the box finished, and we'll be making more tomorrow. And hopefully I can rope this guy, because this guy is Everett. He's coming tomorrow, so hopefully I can rope him into working full-time here. We're just kind of seeing how things work out here. So I'll let you know more about that soon. So these are our copper handles, which we get from a local coppersmith right here in Rome. But I screw them on as well as glue them with Type-On 3 glue. So this is the Type-On 3 glue. We just put it on a little bit of dab on there, enough to anchor it on, but then we also screw it on just so that it never fails. Just because I know people are going to be picking it up like this, and you never want that to break and the box to drop. But that's pretty cool. Really like the copper stuff. These are all the copper compasses, also made by the guy in Rome. Super cool. Got a small little inventory of parts here. Just steel pins, some springs, screws, handles, the compasses, and just black pins for the pistons to hold those on. So you notice there's 16 pins on each box. And so yeah. Then of course the carvings are all back here. This is what they come in. This is just cherry, and then I do a quick finishing process, go through a number of different dyes and some brushing to make it look antique. And that was what the carvings come out looking like. Had a guy make those for me. Just some guy I found on Etsy. So, yep. Getting amped up. I hope you guys are excited. So this is box number 7. And we just got number 8 cut. So those will be shipping next week. I just have to get something to put inside of them because I'm talking with the guy right now. And so we'll get that in hopefully next week, and then we'll ship late next week. We'll ship 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8 hopefully, but we'll see. Stay tuned.